It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Welcome to Unacademy Aspirant YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Unacademy is conducting Master Blast Practice Series, a free special class series. All together 10,000 practice questions for GATE. Top educators at Unacademy in computer science engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, and chemical engineering. On Unacademy Acad YouTube channel, YouTube sessions on basic concepts every Friday, intermediate concepts on every Saturday, advanced concepts on every Sunday, knowledge fight on every Monday, tests on every Tuesday. Unacademy is conducting free live compact. It is India's largest weekly competition for GATE. Access your GATE preparation in 60 minutes. Challenging and original GATE questions by best educators at Unacademy. Take it live to compete with the best. All India Live Leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. Next compact is on June 20th and 27th at 11 a.m. From rank 1 to 3, complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription for 1 year. Rank 4 to 10, 70% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. Rank 11 to 50, 50% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. Rank 51 to 100, 25% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. Either for Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Unacademy is announcing new batches. Eval batch for 2022 GATE, Ascent batch for 2023 GATE. in electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering. In plus, you have live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, rank approved batches. On iconic subscription, you have additionally personal coach, study planner, study booster sessions, personalized test analysis, dedicated doubt clearing instructors, preparatory study material. Either for plus subscription or iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Mathematical logic, practice session on mathematical logic. First problem. The statement P implies Q implies P is equal to option A. P implies Q implied and implied by P. P implies Q. P implies PRQ. P implies P and Q. Now, this can be written as P implies Q implies P is nothing but P implies negation Q R P. That is negation P R negation Q R P. That can be written as negation P R P R negation Q. That can be written as negation P R P R negation Q. That can be implied true R negation Q. True R negation Q is it true? That means tautology. It is a tautology. So which one of the following is a tautology? So now, which one of the following is a tautology means if you look at option C, P implies PRQ. Third option. P implies PRQ. So I am trying to get true implies false situation. Okay. If I am getting true implies false situation, then it is not a tautology. If it is not possible, then it is a tautology. Observe. It is a disjunction. Disjunction is false when both are false. When both are false, can you try to make P as true? It is not possible. So false implies false. Is it is a tautology. Therefore, P implies PRQ is a tautology. So third option is correct. Next problem. Let S be a non-empty subset of R. Consider the following statements. P. There is a rational number x belongs to S such that x greater than 0, which of the following is negation of the statement B. Which of the following is negation of the statement? Observe. Negation. Given statement is S is subset of R. I have to give the options. Options. First option. Every rational number x belongs to S satisfy x less than or equal to 0. X belongs to S and x less than or equal to 0 implies x is not rational. There is a real number. There is a real number. X belongs to S such that x less than or equal to 0. There is no rational number x such that x less than or equal to 0. In this problem, given that S subset R and P, there is a rational number. There is a rational number x belongs to S such that there is a rational number x belongs to S such that x greater than 0. Now we have to write negation of this. Negation P is any rational number, x belongs to S such that x not greater than 0. Any rational number x belongs to S such that x not greater than 0. X not greater than 0 means what? Every rational number x belongs to S satisfy x less than or equal to 0. Not greater than 0 is nothing but less than or equal to 0. Therefore, correct option is first option. Next one. Consider the following statements. P. Someone is brilliant. Q. Someone is rich. R. Someone is honest. The negation of someone is brilliant and dishonest if and only if someone is rich. Can be expressed as option A. Negation of P and negation are implies and implied by Q. Negation P and Q and negation R. Negation of Q implies P and negation R. Negation Q implied by negation P and R. Now, the given statement is someone is brilliant and dishonest. Honest means R, dishonest means negation R. Implies and implied by if and only if. That's why. Someone is rich, so Q. So here, this is the given statement. We have to write negation of this. Please observe, whenever you are writing negation of A implies and implied by B, you have four types. A implies and implied by negation B. Negation A implies and implied by B. Negation A implies negation of A implies and implied by B. Negation of B implies and implied by A. You can apply any one of the forms. Now, first form, P and negation are implies and implied by negation Q. Negation of P and negation are implies and implied by Q. Next one, negation of P and negation are implies and implied by Q. Negation of Q implies and implied by P and negation R. Now, which one is the correct answer? Negation of P and negation R implies and implied by Q. So, first option is correct. Next problem. The negation of if I'll become a teacher, then I will open a school. We have to write negation of this. First option. Either I will not become a teacher or I will not open a school. Second option, neither I will become a teacher nor I will open a school. Third option, I will not become a teacher or I will open a school. Last option, I will become a teacher and I will not open a school. This is the given statement. If I will become a teacher, then I will open a school. It is in the form of if P then Q. I will become a teacher, then I will not open a school. If I will become a teacher, then I will not open a school. That is the inverse of the given statement. Negation, negation. Observe, let P comma Q be any two logical statements and are equal to P implies negation P R Q. P implies negation Q R Q if R has a truth value false. The truth values of P and Q are respectively the truth value of P and Q respectively when R has a truth value false. When R has a truth value false. First option true true, second option false false, third option true false, fourth option false true. Now here given that R implies R equal to P implies negation Q R Y, negation P R Q P implies negation P or Q. Now, the one thing, if negation Q or P is false, fix this as false. Means Q, if you take disjunction false, both individuals are false. Q is true, negation Q is false. Q is true, negation Q is false. R is false. Suppose why R is false? Here, if you fix negation P or Q is false, disjunction is false. So Q is true, right? Negation P or Q. 1 minute. Because the problem is R is P implies negation P or Q. Negation P or Q. A disjunction is false only when both are false. Both are false means P must be true, Q must be false. Now, P implies negation P or Q. Now, try to fix negation P or Q as false. Try to make P is true. Possible or not? P is true. Okay. Negation P false. Negation E. Negation Q false. So true implies false situation arises. True implies false situation arises. Whenever true implies false situation is possible, true implies false is false. Therefore, if this situation arises, then it is not a tautology. It is not a tautology. Next problem. It is not a tautology. In which situation it is not a tautology? Here, in which situation it is not a tautology? P is true, Q is false. So P is true, Q is false is the correct option. Next one. Next problem. The statement negation of P implies and implied by negation Q is option A equivalent to negation P implies and implied by Q. Tautology, contradiction, equivalent to P implies and implied by Q. Now here, negation of P implies and implied by negation Q. P implies negation Q and negation Q and P. P implies negation Q and negation Q implies P. Because it is biconditional. Now that can be written as P and negation Q can be written as negation P or negation Q, and negation Q implies can be written as negation of negation Q R P, that is equal to negation P R negation Q, negation P R negation Q, and negation of negation Q is Q R P. Continuation. Negation of negation of P and Q. 1 minute. Negation of negation P and Q. Negation of negation P and Q and QRP. That can be written as negation of negation P and Q is P and Q, or negation of QRP, that is P and Q are negation Q and negation P. P and Q are negation P and negation Q. That is nothing but both are true, yeah, both are false. Both are true, both are false is nothing but P implies and implied by Q. Reconditional is true only when both are true or both are false. So the situation is similarly P implies and implied by Q. P implies and implied by Q is the correct option. Understood? Thank you.